Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because we are going to be trying these two lovely things from Too Faced. It is their eyeshadow palette and the Too Faced Turn Up the Light palette, so super excited about that. I'm gonna keep this intro short, enough chit chat because no, nobody's got time for that. Actually, we have plenty of time because everybody's quarantined. But anyways, without further ado, let's go get into this makeup look. So first up, we are gonna go in with the eyeshadow palette, which is why you guys are super zoomed in. I'm getting ready for work. I'm an essential worker. I work in finance. Who else out there is an essential worker, and what do you do, and like where do you work at? Not like tell me where you work, like at a hospital and what hospital, but like are you a nurse? Are you like a firefighter? Are you a police officer? Which would be really cool if like y'all are watching, like a firefighter watching my videos. Hey, thanks for putting out the fires. So you take it out of the packaging and it looks like this. And then you open it and these colors are like my jam. Like I'm such a neutrals girl. Like these are just right up my alley. Like this is everyday kind of colors for me. And I like that like the mirror folds like all the way back because I mean you pick it up. I mean you can't look in the mirror, but I have my own little mirror sitting right here. So, but I do like when a mirror flips like all the way back. I'm going to try to use as many shades as possible. So I'm going to go in with Swan first and kind of put that all over the eyelid. I mean, nothing really special. I just like to set the whole eyelid with like a neutral color. And next to our transition color, I'm going to go in with Nude. It's pretty pigmented. And we're just concentrating this in the crease and upper crease for our transition shade. Y'all just ignore my eyebrows. Like it's just been a rough one, and I know everybody feels the same. Like I'm in Alabama and we just got the shelter order where we can't go anywhere unless it's like essential stuff, and I'm an essential worker, so I have like this paperwork and stuff I have to keep in my car in case I get pulled over. And then I heard on the news just now that like if you do get stopped, and I guess if you're not going anywhere essential, which I don't know how they would even know, because if you got pulled over you could just say you're going to get gas or you're going like to the store for like, I don't know, toilet paper, even though they don't have toilet paper. But I mean, so I mean, I don't know how people are going to kind of, you know for sure if you're lying. But anyways, that's what's going on here in Alabama. I'm so sick of this quarantine shit, and excuse my language, but like it's really aggravating when you're an adult and you can't leave your own house to go somewhere where you want to go. It's just really frustrating. Like it doesn't make any sense. Like if people would just be smart about stuff, wash your hands, don't go anywhere you don't have to go from the get-go, like this order wouldn't be in place. Because I'm kind of pissed off because it's my birthday month and we always have a crawfish bowl, and because of this stupid quarantine and you can't do anything, we can't have it this year. And my birthday actually falls on a Saturday, which is when we do have a crawfish bowl. So that just really pisses me off. Do y'all hear that? Yeah, you don't hear anything because the bulldogs are still sleeping with Shane. Normally it's so loud in here because of the snorts and the snoring. But I do hear Stewie in there. He'll jump up at the door handle if he wants out of a room. And so I do hear him doing that. But I mean, he can just sit down. He's a lunatic, but I'm sure everybody knows that. Okay, so like for real, I'd probably just stop right here and go on about my day, put some mascara on, but we are going to go in with another color. To deepen up the crease, I'm going to go in with Cocoa, which is right here. This does have like a lot of kick up or kickback or whatever it's called. That doesn't really bother me as long as it doesn't like affect the other shades. Ooh, she got pigment for sure. No, my brush is like breaking, I guess. It's like wiggling. I hear it. Don't break, brush. You're one of my faves. It also really sucks right now because a lot of people are like losing their jobs and getting laid off. And it's just like heartbreaking because I'm just like, all because people can't follow freaking directions. Like, stay the freak home. it's not that hard. I mean, that's not the only reason, but I mean, this whole thing I think is just so crazy and ridiculous. Like, I know it's a virus, I know it's scary and everything like that, but I mean, so is the flu. Like, just do what you do when it's like flu season. Like, wash your hands, be vigilant of like where you're going, what you're touching. Like, I mean, it just aggravates me because it's pretty much common sense. Like, just don't do dumb shit. And then I see people with these gloves on, and I've been in finance for like 7 years, but I did take some time off and I was a dental assistant. So I know all about like cross-contamination. So gloves only work when you put them on, you touch one thing and then take them off and put another pair on. You touch another thing and take them off, put another pair on. So if you have gloves on and you're constantly touching things, that doesn't like work because you're still cross-contaminating everything. So like you touch the door handle with your gloves and then touch the buggy and then touch like the rice on the shelf, like you just contaminate like everything. So wearing gloves the whole time doesn't work. I mean, it might keep your hands clean, but it still doesn't protect like other people. So it's just like, I don't know, it just kills me. And we're gonna take the first blending brush and blend out those edges. Okay, then to deepen up the outer V, I'm going to go in with Truffle. Not a whole lot, just a little bit, because we are going to go in with some of the shimmer shades as well. Oh, that's a lot of pigment. But that's good though. Like, I love pigmented eyeshadows because, especially when you spend money, whew, and it's not pigmented, I'd be mad. Hella mad. I'm just going to go in with that same brush. I did clean it off, but we're just going to blend it out anyway, so it's okay if like some eyeshadow still left on it. We're just blending this out and taking it in the crease a little bit just to deepen that up, but mostly leaving it in the outer V. Just to kind of make the outer V, because my eyes aren't like V-shaped like, you know, some people's are, and it's like harder to make that kind of V. Plus my eyes are two different shapes, which is annoying as all get out. And then on top of that darker shade in the outer V, we're going to go in with Sparkling Sable, which is that darker kind of shimmer color right there. That's like really pretty. Just gonna blend it out ever so lightly with this brush, just so there's not any harsh lines like on the outer V. And then next we're gonna go in with Golden Light, which is that shimmer shade right there. I'm gonna do kind of a gradient eye just so we can use as much shimmer shades as possible. But I am going to go in with my finger because with the shimmer shades or like glitter, you get a lot more payoff with your finger. That's really pretty, like really pretty. Okay, and next in the inner corner, we are going to go in with the Shimmer and Pearl, which is this shimmer shade right here, which should be really pretty and make it like pop in the inner corner. Yeah, that's pretty. It's kind of giving me like Tati Beauty kind of vibes, that palette. If you didn't watch it, I'll link it up here in the icon. This one is kind of difficult to work with. Like it's pigmented, but it's, I don't know, it's not as like soft and easy to work with like the other ones were. I don't know if it's just my palette or not, but okay, so I guess it seems to work a little bit better with the brush, but it was not working at all with like my finger. And for the lower lash line, I am going to mix Nude and then the Cocoa shade. Okay, so that is it for the eyeshadow look. I'm going to jump off camera into mascara and eyeliner and be right back. Okay, so eyeliner and mascara are done. It really amazes me how much an eye look comes together when you put on mascara and eyeliner. Like, it was pretty before, but like, I don't know, mascara and eyeliner just makes it like a whole nother level. It makes it so much better. To me anyways, but I mean, especially when you're having a good lash day, like, we're good to go. And next we're going to try out Born This Way, Turn Up the Light. And I did get the shade Light. And it looks like this on the packaging. And it's a complexion enhancing highlighting palette. And it is infused with coconut water, aids in delicately replenishing skin's moisture levels. Alpine Rose helps empower skin's health and I don't know how to say that word. Hyaluronic acid gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. Okay. Turn Up the Light and add dimension, lift, and luminosity with the complexion enhancing highlighting palette created to bring out the inner radiance in everyone's skin tone. This baked trio diffuses and refracts light for a perfectly lit complexion anywhere you go, which is like nowhere right now. You take it out of the packaging, it looks like this, like your basic Too Faced. On the back it kind of tells you which is which. And so you open it up and it does look like this. Excuse everything. But those are the colors. And the mirror doesn't flip all the way back, but like, there you go. You got Dazzle, Soft Focus, and Glow. So I am just going to take the Soft Focus powder and kind of put that where I highlight at to kind of see what it does. I mean, it highlighted, I guess. I wouldn't say like it does anything special. I don't think it's meant to highlight, but I mean, that's what it kind of did to my under eyes. Which I don't mind that. I mean, hey. My chin is hella dry right now, so I don't even know if that'll even do anything. Okay, I mean, it's not a bad powder, but I mean, I don't see anything like crazy happening. And next up, we are going to go in with Glow, which is a highlight. But I think it's supposed to be kind of subtle. I'm not sure. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it is more subtle than like my normal highlights. But I mean, it's not terrible. And just for giggles, I am going to go in with Dazzle, just like on the high points of my cheekbones, where I like to have a boom boom highlight. Could go either way. I don't see anything. I'm not seeing like a difference. I mean, maybe a slight difference, but I don't see any dazzle for sure. So that is it for this makeup look today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My final impressions, I don't like this. I don't think I would run out and go grab it. I mean, the highlight is like subtle. It's like pretty. The Soft Focus powder, I guess, was like alright. But I mean, unless like you like a natural kind of highlight, natural look, yeah, go out and buy it. But if you like to glow like I do, it's not like the best. So I'm going to have to pass on this. It is really pretty, like the packaging and everything like that, but not for me. This eyeshadow palette I really do like. It is perfect for like an everyday look. So I do give this a thumbs up. I would definitely go buy it. So yeah, that is my final thoughts on those products that we used today. So if you guys have any suggestions of what you want to see next, definitely leave them in the comments. So if you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And before you guys leave, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you are notified every time I do upload. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!